Yo, Des, what you saying then, bro?
Yo, Jay, man is throwing a little link up tonight, yeah? Drinks, tunes, vibes, you coming out or what?
Ah, fam, can't make it tonight. Got something big on, you get me?
Bruv, what do you mean can't make it? It's Friday. You're not revising, are you?
Nah, man, I'm locking in at Brum Financial Futures.
You what? Is that a new club? Sounds like a crypto night in Digbeth.
Nah, fam, it's not that kind of party. It's about money, real money, how Birmingham's getting ready for the future. Fintech, AI, all that. Man's learning how to secure the bag properly.
Wait, you're skipping in pints to talk about pensions?
Bro, I'm taking control of my future. By next year, I'll have stocks, savings, and a solid plan.
Big man Jay Buffett. Don't forget us little people when you're rich, yeah?
I'll remember you when I'm doing financial literacy workshops in Bali. Anyway, man's gotta go. The future of money won't wait, bro.
Yeah, safe, bro. I might roll through, learn a thing or two.